Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S26. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And at the cover here of the box you will find another little black box. If you're moving it like that here and open it and pull the card out, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it, check. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, able to insert next to the main SIM card, optional a second SIM card here if you want at the other side of the SIM tray. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Huh? So let's take now the first SIM card and put it to SIM 1. The contacts are here on top. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts there are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. For that, just turn the SIM tray and don't wonder, the SIM card will jump out. This is absolutely normal here. So if you want to have two SIM cards, you need to start always with the second one. Okay, let's insert it, press it well, it's well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts they are on top. Okay, so let me put back now the first SIM card. Okay, and anyhow, if you're using one or two SIM cards here at the SIM tray, you put it back then after here into the SIM slot at the phone, and the first SIM card is always on top. So to the display side now, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.